quick and friendly reminder to all of my viewers with terrible memories and the newcomers to the channel. All this mess you're seeing right here belongs to this, a 1968 Datsun 520 pickup truck. I will be your host. I am the one and only infamous Kentucky Yankee without a doubt. Today's mission will be to get this engine and transmission into this frame. These parts will go on first, and then we will install the motor mounts. I did get some new hardware. These are 5/16 fine thread, which is odd. You would think it'd be metric and coarse thread. I prefer to tighten stuff up like this by hand, like not use a zip gun. Transmission mount unavailable as far as I can tell. You might be able to find one, but I can't. This piece right here is the bracket, so I'm going to cut this top off and then weld this onto here. And that'll be my new transmission mount. This is a universal transmission mount for a Chevy or something that I screwed this bottom plate onto. That'll work. Here it is, finished product. I didn't film the process, but I can give you the summary. Cut, weld, paint. The engine mounts go on best like this, I think. First on the engine, then on the frame. It does have two, obviously. Let's see if we can plop it back in there. One step closer. Got the engine and transmission mounted back in the frame. Here's some muriatic acid, and I'll add some water to it. I'm not sure what's in here, milkstone acid or muriatic acid or both, or who knows. Here's the finished product. I blew them off of there and dried them with a heat gun. That water I was dipping them into and brushing them off had baking soda in it to neutralize the acid. Still a lot of parts to get cleaned up, but we'll get there. Hope you enjoyed this little update video. I have started back working on the Datsun. I'm really wanting to get it on the road. My thoughts are maybe just get the chassis and all the mechanical things, sound on it, and throw an old body on it and just drive it around. Meanwhile, I'll be doing the body work to the other body that I have, and then we could just swap them out. I did get stalled out on the old truck for a little while, but we're back at it. If you're into Datsuns and you hadn't seen any of the videos on this old truck, check them out. I think I've probably got over 10 of them. Thanks for watching. I am the one and only infamous Kentucky Yankee, without a doubt.